a wish.
I wish I could get a new roof completely paid for by the insurance company. Honey, wake up. My wish came true.
Babe, what are you talking about?
I wish that we could get a new roof fully paid for by the insurance company. And now it's hailing. It's hailing pigs and horses.
It's cats and dogs.
Okay, yeah, whatever.
It's 3 a.m.
Shh, I'm calling.
Hey, buddy. I knew you'd be calling.
Let's get a new roof!
I hope you enjoyed this video. We create this content to entertain you. You might not even need a new roof right now, but when you do, we hope we are your go-to roofing company. We're here for all your roofing needs. Just give us a call at the number below and say this when you call. Let's get a new roof! Talk to you soon.
Viking Contractors, LLC. For more information, visit our website, VikingContractorsLLC.com. Or just give us a call at 612-567-5522. We can't wait to hear from you at Viking Contractors, LLC.